Hi everyone, it's Patty from the studio. Just trying some new techniques with my gel printed papers. I end up having tons of them and I love to incorporate them in different uses, collaging, card making, everything. And one of the things I've seen on YouTube is dot painting, which is very relaxing and not as easy to do as you would think, but I just wanted to kind of play with it a little today and show you. So what you'll need is print of some sort, or anything that even you pull out of a magazine. I find a darker plain background works the best, and a little white jelly roll, pen, white paint to start. I like the golden titanium white. Then I got this set of dot makers on Amazon with some stencils for a really low price. I'll put the link in the description. They have all different diameters and types, and it's just fun to work with. And my very expensive palette, otherwise known as a paper plate. So really, all you need to do, I've kind of laid out some lines. I didn't measure as carefully as I might have, but I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like when you start working with it. So I'm going to start kind of with a medium rod, and you just dip it in the paint. No measuring, just kind of guesswork. And then you're going to start laying out your dots. So I'm just going to start with this one in the middle. And then I might do one kind of halfway through each line. And you dip it in the paint each time. Normally I measure a lot more carefully, but I just wanted to show you a possibility of how easy things can be done. It's relaxing, it's good for kids, very little investment. Like I said, this whole set with stencils was really affordable on Amazon, and I just love it. So we're going to then take a little bit of a smaller dimension. We had the kind of the pink one, now we have the blue. Same process, just dip it in, and now we're going to go between the two larger dots we made. And my hand shakes a little bit, and sorry about that. I'm just so excited. It has nothing to do with getting older. I'm just so excited. And you can see, you know, a whole variety of these on YouTube, and the detail that people get to using different colors. I mean, it's a little uneven, but you get the idea. So we're going to do one more of this size past the first large one we did. And again, it's not a lot of paint. You can make it up as you go, or you can be really, this one is a little not even, the paper, so I'm just kind of pushing it down. I'm not wild about that one, but just to show you, I try not to be so anal as I usually am. Now we're going to take this purple rod, again, a little bit smaller diameter than what we had before. Same exact thing, just dip it in the paint, and we're going to do it past the medium size we just did. This one's going to be on the end, kind of off the page, which I kind of like. And I do find sometimes I lose my way and I forget where I am. Okay, then let's do a really tiny one. In this one you probably can't even see it. And between kind of the larger and the medium, we're going to do a little tiny one. Let's see how that goes. The different sizes are what really add the interest. And this here. You could do snowflake designs. You can Google all sorts of mandala, I think is the technical term for this. I call it dot painting, but I think sometimes you end up with a mandala shape. So then we're going to just kind of, let's see, finish off some of these longer ones. Here. I'm going to turn it a little bit, just so I don't get paint all over my hands as usual. Okay, let's see. Another type that comes in the set are these like little barbell types. So we're going to take the smaller of this one. Let's just kind of in the middle of these diagonals, I'm going to add one here, there, there. Okay. So I'm going to kind of keep playing and stop talking and figure out how to speed it up. These are really small. So I'm just going to keep going. It's kind of a cool effect, I think. It could be considered space age. It's amazing what can be done with different colors and then putting colors inside of those white dots to really add dimension. So I'll do another one at another time, maybe going into a little bit more depth, but I just kind of wanted to give you an introduction to dot painting. And I think it's fun and easy. Thanks for watching. See you later.